I'm going to show you a magic indicator that I use with my credit spreads that it's a complete game changer. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what the indicator is, how to get it for free, how to set up alerts so that it notifies you when you're not at the computer, and what are the best methods to use with that indicator to get the most results out of it. So let's dive into this video. So what is this indicator and how do you use it? This indicator is called the Nadara-Watson Envelope Indicator, and I'll put the link down below. It's a free indicator you can grab, click down there, enjoy it. This indicator helps you to call bottoms and close reversal points. And so the key is with this indicator, when it comes down to this red line, I set an alert, and I'll show you how to do it in a second, so that it goes off, and then I just simply sell a bull put spread down here. So you might be asking what a credit spread is. Let's just take 30 seconds and let me walk you through what that is. A credit spread is a way of trading that is basically you win as long as it doesn't go to a certain area. And so in this instance, if I were to sell a credit spread down here, I win as long as it stays above this line right there. So anywhere in here, I win. The stock can go up, the stock can go sideways, the stock can go down. I am going to win as long as I am not completely wrong. And even if I am completely wrong and it goes all the way down, it has to go all the way past this in order for me to really lose. And so it has an extremely high win rate, and it's what I've been using since day one as a full-time trader to bring in consistent income, because it's just set up to win. It's a very, very easy strategy to bring in consistent income. There are some downsides to credit spreads, and you need to understand what those are and how to mitigate them. And if you're curious on that and what to know what credit spreads are and how to mitigate those losses, links down below for free credit spread courses. I'm giving it all away for free because I want each and every one of you making this easy money, but I also want each and every one of you being safe and understanding how to mitigate that risk if it ever does go strongly against you. Those links are down below for the free credit spread course. So jump on that. Learn these strategies because it is a complete game changer. Now, if you tie this in with this indicator, it helps so much. So how do you add this indicator onto your chart? If you just go to the top here where it says indicators on TradingView, and I use this on TradingView because everyone can have access to it. It's not like broker specific. So get TradingView, get a free account with that, and then click up here on indicators. Once you click on indicators, what you're going to want to do is type in the Nadara-Watson Envelope Lux Algo. It's going to be right there. The first one that pulls up, that's the one. Go ahead and click on that one. So once you have this added on your chart, these are the settings that I have for it. The inputs, right? 8 on the bandwidth, 3 multi, sources close. You can choose whatever colors you want. Inputs on the status line, great. And then you can just kind of have all these things checked and visibility on what time frame you want it. So that is the default settings. That's how I have it. And just stick with that. So once you have that on there, go to a daily time frame. And what you want to do is you want to actually right click on this indicator and then click add an alert on the Nadara-Watson envelope. Click on that. And now you want to go ahead and select up. Whenever this gives you an up arrow for a bounce, meaning it's at the bottom side of that channel, you are going to get a notification. And so you could do this only once. You could do this once per bar. That's what I would select. And then open-ended alert, and then go ahead and press create. Once you have this alert created, it is now going to let you know on a daily time frame whenever this gets down into this red column. Now you can see this indicator is extremely good at calling bottoms. And that's what we want to know with a credit spread, right? When this thing is dropping down, we want to know where is it getting close to bounce. And when it drops, then you sell your bull put spread. And then as it hangs out or goes up, you're going to win on this credit spread. If it's wrong and it continues to drop out of here, you still are going to most likely win because it has to not just be wrong, but it also has to move a huge distance. The odds of it making that huge distance after making a big move already up here is pretty low. And so that's why combining this specific indicator with my credit spread strategy is going to give you an extremely consistent result in your trading. So for sure, load this indicator on your chart and use it with your credit spreads, especially that credit spread strategy that I give away completely for free again down below. So there's a link down below to learn what a credit spread is. There's also a link down below for a free full credit spread strategy. I give away my credit spread strategy completely for free. Click that link down below. It's a strategy that I've been using since day one as a full-time trader. Whenever I needed consistency, when I needed to pay my bills, this is how I created that strategy. And it's been helping me every single month ever since I started trading full-time. So I'm giving that all away for free because I want to change your life. I want to help you see returns in your trading. These are going to do it. And they've helped thousands of others over the years as well. So it's all free. You have nothing to lose. Click that link down below and check it all out. Tie in this indicator. And again, you can use this on different time frames. So if you go down to like a 2 hour, if you want to do some shorter time period stuff and get more touches, but the safest bet is going to be putting this out on a daily time frame. Now, the cool thing is this indicator works on whatever tickers you want. So it can come down, and you can use this on Tesla. And every single time it comes down into here, I'm selling a bull put spread as far out as I can. Again, follow that strategy. It'll show you where to sell them, how to sell them, how much money to get paid for it, etc. You can use this on any ticker that you want. Apple, you can see as it comes down through here, it bounced through. Fantastic. Every single time it comes through here, you're selling that bull put spread, following this indicator and making trading so much simpler. Again, having an alert out here as well, so you get notified when you're not even at your computer saying, hey, it's time for a bull put spread. You can go ahead and sell that. It can't get any easier than this. So here are a few things you need to be aware of. This is not going to be a strategy that's going to give you a setup every single day. There might be weeks in between while you're waiting on certain stocks to get down to the bottom side of this indicator to sell a credit spread. So that's why you can do this with multiple different stocks, and odds are you're going to get one or two of those hitting at least once or so a week out of those 5 or 10 stocks that you're looking at. You can add more if you'd like, but it'll help fill in those voids a little bit. But this is not going to be a strategy that's like every single day you're getting a setup. Realistically, you can expect to see probably 1 to 2 setups a week on average, depending on how many stocks you have in your watch list with this specific strategy. So this is my go-to. It's been an easy cheat code that I've been using for a long time, and it's just crazy consistent. And even when it doesn't hold these levels, our credit spreads are so far down that we still will win on them. And so if you don't know credit spreads, again, come check out those links down below, because it is a complete cheat code when it comes to trading, and it's been my #1 method of bringing in consistent income. So that tells you just how good it really is. So there you have it, my friends. Use this cheat code. Is what I've been using for a long time. Help you to figure out when's a good time to sell a credit spread, when's a really good chance that some bouncing or sideways is about to come, and then set yourself up with that high win rate strategy. Check out the links down below to learn more. Let's go get you moving forward and seeing results in your trading.